How to check which app is spying on you on Android? Um, Android has built in privacy tools that let you check exactly which apps have recently used sensitive permissions. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Privacy. Next, tap Privacy Dashboard. Here, you'll see which apps have recently accessed permissions, such as your camera, microphone, and location. Tap on a permission, such as camera or microphone, to see which apps accessed it and when. If you find an app accessing a permission that doesn't make sense, tap on the app to review its permission settings. You can then choose Don't Allow or another appropriate permission option to prevent that app from accessing your information. Keep in mind that the exact menu names may differ depending on your Android device and software version. On some phones, you may find these options under Security and Privacy instead. And that's how you can check which apps are accessing sensitive information on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.